Unit 1, the concept of curriculum. Curriculum perspectives. Curriculum perspectives are theories of knowledge which are an important source of curriculum decisions. Zui, 1984, states that what goes into the curriculum depends heavily on these perspectives. There are a number of curriculum perspectives that you should be familiar with. In this section, we will explore the following four: rationalist, empiricist, pragmatist, existentialist. It is important to consider each perspective as it relates to the following: the learner, the teacher, methodology, curriculum. It is important for you to understand the essence of each perspective. Rationalists say, true knowledge is achieved by the mind. Knowledge is a series of revelations. Empiricists think, true knowledge is derived from evidence. Authentic knowledge comes through the senses. Pragmatists believe that, knowledge is hypothetical and changing constantly. Knowledge is experienced. Knowledge cannot be imposed on the learner. Knowledge is a personal activity. Knowledge is socially constructed. Existentialists or phenomenologists conclude that knowledge is personal and subjective. Knowledge is one's own unique perception of one's world. Education should be less formal. Curricula should be diverse, not common for all. Before you read the next section, check on how much you remember. Elements of curriculum. The curriculum has four elements that are in constant interaction: purpose, goals and objectives, content or subject matter, methods or learning experiences, evaluation. It is the interaction of these elements in the social, political, economic, technological, and environmental context that constitutes a curriculum. Now let us look at each element in turn. Purpose. The purpose of a curriculum is based on the social aspirations of society, outlines the goals and aims of the program, and is expressed as goals and objectives. There are three categories of goals and objectives: cognitive, referring to intellectual tasks; psychomotor, referring to muscular skills; and affective, referring to feeling and emotions. You should note that the curriculum reflects the relevance of whatever the society deems to be important. Content or subject matter. The content of the curriculum is divided into bodies of knowledge, for example, mathematics, English, and science. Outlines the desired attitudes and values. Includes cherished skills. Is determined by prevailing theories of knowledge, and caters to ideological, vocational, and technical considerations. You should note that the curriculum content must be applicable to the solution of the problems affecting the society which uses it. Methods. The methods outlined in a curriculum deal with teaching and learning experiences, and involve organizational strategies. Flexible teaching methods facilitate learning. Evaluation. Evaluation is used to select appropriate content based on the aims and objectives of the curriculum. Select appropriate methods to address the content and purpose. Check the effectiveness of methods and learning experiences used. Check on the suitability and the appropriateness of the curriculum in answering social needs. Give feedback to the planners, learners, teachers, industry, and society. Provide a rationale for making changes. You should note that in conducting evaluations, judgments must be made regarding inputs, means, content, outputs, and outcomes of the whole learning process. Summary. In this unit, you studied what a curriculum is and reviewed some of the educational views on which a curriculum is based. The four elements of the curriculum were also presented. As a teacher, you need to understand the different perspectives that drive the design of the curriculum. In the next unit, you will build on the concepts covered in Unit 1 by studying different types of curricula.